Good day, I'm Levita, 40 years old, married. I have one child, a 17 years old boy. I have finished my vocational course at TESDA. I have a local work experience here in Philippines in almost 5 years in taking care of 2 elderly and 3 children. I do household chores also. I have a work experience in Middle East in less than 3 months only. I have a work experience in Singapore in 2 years and 10 months in a Chinese family with 5 members, including mom, sir, mom, brother, and 2 children, a 3 years old boy and a 7 years old girl. In the morning, I bring and fetch them to school. I do household chores also. Every weekend, I do marketing and I do car wash. In my future employer, you can trust me because I am honest, trustworthy, hardworking, and I am dedicated to my work. If you hire me as your helper, I promise to do my household chores and take good care of your children because I promise I have a long patience and I love children. I love cooking also. I promise to obey your house rules and I'm willing to learn more duties and everything. I hope you like me, Mom. Thank you and good day.